Are you looking to implement Lean in your organization? Here are 9 steps to guide you through the process. Step 1. Perform a thorough assessment and develop a plan for implementation. This can be done by an in-house expert or a reputable consultant. Step 2. Select key pilot projects for process improvement and implement Kaizen. Identify visible projects with a high probability of success to build momentum. Step 3. Begin value stream mapping, VSM, and problem-solving training. Develop a future state plan with cross-functional teams and implement basic problem-solving training plant-wide. Step 4. Implement VSM projects and roll out Lean training in small bites. Train and implement in conjunction with each other to build momentum. Step 5. Expand by value stream or department, depending on shared equipment and processes. Identify which approach makes more sense for your organization. Step 6. Extend Lean to administrative functions and support processes. Begin mapping and improving support processes, especially if they affect manufacturing. Step 7. Create a Lean promotion function. Establish a team responsible for planning and facilitating Lean activities and events. Step 8. Develop a growth strategy for additional business. Leverage Lean improvements to generate more revenue and capitalize on freed-up capacity. Step 9. Extend Lean to your suppliers. Begin the process earlier if you have outsourced much of your manufacturing. There you have it, 9 steps to guide you through the process of implementing Lean in your organization. Remember, a well-planned and structured approach is key to success. Let us help you. Visit emsstrategies.com for more information and resources.